Energy bar production begins on farms cultivating tiger nuts underground and dates growing on palms.
Tiger nuts and dates are labeled for full traceability throughout energy bar manufacturing. Temporary storage preserves tiger nut crunch and date softness before long-distance transport.
Look at this tear right here, and it feels damp.
Okay, noted. Let's replace this one immediately.
Tiger nuts and dates now leave farms, beginning their transformation into modern energy bars.
Tiger nuts and dates arrive at the factory, officially entering controlled energy bar production. Initial cleaning removes debris from tiger nuts and dates before storage and processing. Environmental monitoring protects tiger nuts and dates throughout controlled storage periods.
Okay, batch 74A, Nigerian origin, inspected clear.
Confirmed. Printing the tag now.
Tiger nuts and dates are now staged for cleaning, roasting, and preparation. Tiger nuts and dates begin factory preparation with intensive industrial washing and air cleaning.
The color is still a bit light. We need to increase the temperature.
All right, adjusting it up 5 degrees now.
The aroma profile is improving already.
Rapid cooling stabilizes roasted tiger nuts, while dates remain soft and intact.
Dates are ground into paste to bind roasted tiger nuts in energy bars.
Prepared tiger nuts and dates are now ready for energy bar mixing. Industrial mixers combine tiger nuts and dates into a cohesive energy bar base for mass production.
Heavy-duty arms knead tiger nuts and dates into uniform energy bar mixtures within enclosed mixing chambers.
Temperature regulation protects tiger nuts and dates during prolonged mixing cycles in industrial energy bar mixers.
Energy bar bases made from tiger nuts and dates move to shaping and cutting operations next.
Extrusion shapes tiger nuts and dates into continuous slabs for precise energy bar forming.
Precision cutters divide tiger nut and date slabs into uniform bar strips accurately.
Alignment systems straighten tiger nut and date bars for uninterrupted production flow.
Formed tiger nut and date energy bars advance towards setting and stabilization stages.
Thermal processing stabilizes tiger nut and date energy bars without compromising nutrition or texture. Extended cooling stabilizes tiger nut and date bars after thermal processing stages.
High airflow prevents condensation on tiger nut and date energy bars during cooling.
Surface texture looks perfect on this batch.
Agreed, the cooling process is stable.
Stabilized tiger nut and date energy bars are now ready for final packaging.
Metal detection protects tiger nut and date energy bars from contamination before packaging. Vision systems inspect tiger nut and date bar packaging accuracy in real time. Stretch wrapping stabilizes tiger nut and date bar pallets for transport security.
Temperature logs on the flow wrap look consistent.
Yes, and the metal detector passed calibration.
The date coding is clear on all units.
Certified tiger nut and date energy bars are cleared for market distribution. Finished tiger nut and date energy bars enter organized warehouses for secure storage.
Logistics planning organizes tiger nut and date energy bars for distribution.
Export compliance clears Tiger Nut and Date energy bars for international entry.
The Tiger Nuts and Dates provide sustained energy without the crash.
That's exactly what I need. I'll take this one.
Tiger Nut and Date energy bars complete their journey from factory to consumers.